Hello dears. Today topic is strength of material. This is new topic and it is the most important topic, or we can say most important subject for mechanical and civil engineering. Both mechanical and civil engineering, it is most important subject for this two branches. So what is strength? A strength is the ability of any substance or material. We can say strength is the ability of any substance or material is called strength. Suppose we take a table and this table ability is 3%. We can apply load 3%. So it is the ability of table. So if we load the 3%, then it's a strength. But if we add one more person, then table will fail. That is, table will fail. So it means its strength is equals to 3%. Because if we add one more person, it will fail, or failure takes place in the table. So that is the strength for table. So it is called strength for any, we can say any material or any substance. We can say that is ability or strength for this table. In other word, we can say it gives information about, or we can say it says about load carrying capacity of any materials. It says about load carrying capacity of any material. How much we can load applied in any material, so it will says the strength. It gives the information. It gives the information when material will fail. By the strength, we can now, when material will fail, or we can understand what is the ability of any material. So this is the three reasons when material will fail. First one, next is how material will fail, okay, and next one is how will fail material, and next one, that is third one, after how much load applied it will fail. So this gives the three information to finding strength of any material. How it will observed? We can observe, or it has been observed that under the action of these forces, the material is first deformed and then its failure takes place. When we applied the force in any material, then it will fail. So fail means it will deform first time. It will deform first time. Then we can say failure takes place. That is the, we can observe that the strength of that material. So it has been observed that under the action of these forces, the material is first deformed and then its failure takes place. That is the strength. So in engineering, we can define the strength. A strength is the maximum value of a stress. Stress is force per unit area. What we can apply, that is force per unit area. So in engineering, we can say a strength is the maximum value of a stress which a material can sustain. A strength is the maximum value of a stress which a material can sustain in engineering definition. Here stress is equals to resisting force per unit area. What force we applied per unit area is called stress. Stress equals to resisting force by area. That is in engineering. So now strength of material. So strength of material is also called mechanics of solid. Strength of material is also called mechanics of solid. Why we say mechanics of solid? Because different type of forces acting on any material and its effects we see in the material. So that is mechanics of solid also called, and it will applied on real bodies, or we can say deformable bodies or resistance bodies. We can apply real bodies or deformable bodies or resistance bodies. That is strength of material. In case of strength, we can't apply it for hypothetical bodies or imaginary bodies. So in a simple way, we can define the strength of material. A strength of material or mechanics of solid, or mechanics of solid. So a strength of material or mechanics of solid, that is the in which we study the deformation about real bodies or deformable bodies or resistance bodies. That is called strength of material or mechanics of solid. The branch of mechanics in which a study about, or in which we study the deformation about real bodies or deformable bodies or resistance bodies. So is called strength of material or mechanics of solid. In the other way, other definition is a detailed, or in other way we can explain in detail, we can explain in other way. So a detailed study of forces and their effects. A detailed study of forces and their effects along with some suitable protective measures for the safe working conditions is known as strength of material. A detailed study of forces and their effects acting with some suitable protective measures for the safe working condition. For the safe working conditions is known as strength of material. So is called is strength of material, or is known as strength of material. So this one is the for strength of material. What is strength of material? So today's topic is over. Thanks for watching.